Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the installer failed to uncompress archive. Please download Google Chrome again. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Click on search and type registry editor. Click on it and then select yes when prompted to allow changes. In the registry editor, expand HKey current user, next expand software. Locate the Google folder in the list, right-click on it and select delete. Click yes to confirm the deletion. If you see an error message while deleting, don't worry, in most cases the folder will still be removed successfully. Expand HKey local machine, again expand software, find the Google folder, right-click on the Google folder, select delete and confirm by clicking yes. Ignore any error messages that may appear during this step. Go back to search and type %local app data %. Press enter to open the local app data folder. Locate the Google folder, right-click on it and select delete. Now restart your computer. This should resolve the issue you were facing. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.